Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can connect Autosnipe AI to a Phantom wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, it's very easy on the Autosnipe website. So first thing, you simply have to access your browser and then type in autosnipe.ai's official website. You will land over here, and once you're over here, all you gotta do is simply tap on the option of connect and snipe. But make sure you already have a Phantom wallet account and you're logged in and signed in your device. Can be on your desktop or can be on your app on your mobile phone. You have access to it, you're logged in, and it's registered and have been set up properly. Then tap on this connect and snipe option. Now you will be able to choose a wallet. So tap on all wallet from over here and search the Phantom. You'll find your particular wallet, tap on it, and then again, as I mentioned, either you can sign in over here, otherwise once you have done that, you will be able to go back to home page and your signed in process has been done. Then it will automatically connect it and then you're good to go. That's how you will be able to do so. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.